Hi there. In this video we're talking about securing our virtual machine workloads under Google Compute Engine. Specifically we're talking about the importance of patching and installing all the operating system updates that are available for your chosen operating system. Something north of 90% of all of these, numerous studies have demonstrated this, right? Something north of 90% of all of the known security breaches happen from patches that we already know about that didn't get installed in time. So it is critically important that you have a robust patch management process that will identify new vulnerabilities as soon as they're available, and then the process to get them installed within a reasonable amount of time for critical and high items. For instance, with a common vulnerability scoring system, CVSS score of greater than a 7, then those should be installed within 30 days. Sooner is always better in this case. And then you should follow all of this up with a vulnerability scanning process to ensure that you have not missed any critical systems and critical patches on any of your systems in your patch management processes. If you have any questions about Google Cloud security or securing your compute engine workloads, be sure to give us a call here at Kirkpatrick Price, and we'd be thrilled to hook you up with one of our experts.